I really appreciate that content. It's genius.
And so many people on here, I'm not going to name names. There's people on here that they've never been on the portal. And that's fine because they're paying their money every month. There's a lot more than what we're doing here on these lives. Because you sent me a message over the weekend that is actually, it was nice that it rang home with you, something that I said on the board, and that success happens in the margins, right? And it was interesting that you brought that up because I was also, I think it was either yesterday or it was Sunday. Either way, it was a holiday or a Sunday. Both you and I were on the same page in that margin, just trying to figure out how to make the upcoming week a little bit better for ourselves. Because I was working when I got your message and you were working when you sent it. We were both operating in the margins. And that's what I mean, Ellis, when I say you're doing just fine. Because 99% of the population is like, it's 5 o'clock, I'm done. Which I don't understand because then they spend all their off time worrying about I'm going to get fired, right?
Well, it's 7 days, Matt, 365, no vacation. Even for 15 minutes, I got to do it.
Yeah, it's 15 minutes. Yeah, it's not that bad. It's not that bad.
And I'll leave because it's really, really quick. The best deal I ever got in my life on sales was on New Year's Day. I came into work where I was working at a video distributor. Guy picked up the phone. You know what? I got an amazing sale, and I wouldn't have had it if I didn't stretch the margin.
Yeah, and it's like they're not asking you to give blood or donate a kidney. You're just picking up the damn phone. Like, and I get it, guys. Don't, like, if you're in the middle of a kid's wedding or something, be present. But also, like, come on. Most of our life, we can step out, we can grab a call, right? Be skillful, but be aware that, and I'm not trying to sway you guys, but I think Ellis is discovering some of the things I discovered. A lot of times this work-life balance advice sometimes isn't great advice because all it is excuses, like not to be skillful, right? Like just you have a life and your career should be part of your life. And even if you don't like doing the stuff in your career, you can like doing it. You can like being skillful at it. You can like being the best at it. By the way, and I'm not putting words in any individual's mouth, but most professional athletes stopped liking the sport that they play a long time ago. They like being the best at it, right? They played so much of the sport, they're not playing it for enjoyment. They're playing it to see if they can get better. They're playing to see if they can be more skillful. They're playing to be the best that they can be. The love of the game stopped when they were 12 and they had to get up at 5 a.m., right? Like we can all be that dedicated. You don't have to be, you know, in the NFL or the Major League Baseball or NHL to be that dedicated. We can all be that dedicated. Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're going to love this. I'm going to teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. We're going to get you the closing mini masterclass. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're going to get access to the class. It's going to show you how to close anyone, anytime, without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost for you to learn how to close.